And once the funds finally reach your bank account, you'll realize that cashing out Sweatcoins is possible, but not directly. Many users are surprised to learn that you cannot withdraw Sweatcoins straight to a bank account or PayPal using the app itself. As of now, Sweatcoin does not offer a built-in cash withdrawal feature. There's no button to send your earnings directly to your bank. Instead, the only way to cash out is through an indirect crypto-based process, which involves multiple steps. First, you must convert your earned Sweatcoins into crypto tokens using the Sweat wallet. This is a separate app that connects to your Sweatcoin account. Inside the wallet, your Sweatcoins are converted into Sweat tokens, which are cryptocurrency assets. Next, you transfer those Sweat tokens to a crypto exchange that supports them, such as OKX or similar platforms on the Near network. On the exchange, you trade Sweat for a stablecoin like USDT, which can then be withdrawn to your bank account after completing identity verification. Keep in mind that fees, minimum withdrawal limits, and market price changes apply at every step. So while it's possible to cash out, it's not instant or free.